Hello everyone, this is Jyoti. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about CCST Networking Examination. So in January 2023, Cisco announced the CCST Networking Certification. CCST stands for Cisco Certified Support Technician. This is a great entry-level certification for people who want to get into Cisco or IT in general. And if you look at Cisco's certification design, typically enterprise certifications, CCST networking is considered to be an entry-level certification. Hence, it's easier compared to the other level of exam from Cisco. And CCNA, CCNP, all of these exams have some expiration date, usually 3 years of a time. But CCST networking examination never expires. And you do not have to have any prior experience or knowledge, and you can start with the ground level and build from there. It's a very amazing thing that there's a lifetime validity, and you do not need any prior experience to take this examination or to get into the IT field and start learning from here. Now, let's see a review of the exam. So, CCST's registration process is quite smooth and it's a cakewalk. However, it is a different count than what you register on for other Cisco examinations like CCNA, CCNP exams, which is pearsonview.com/Cisco, but it is certiport.pearsonview.com. So for CCST, it is not the typical Pearson VUE Cisco account, although it is still Pearson VUE's site, but it is a different one called Certiport. So you have to create a brand new account if you have any Pearson VUE Cisco account for the other certifications, or if you're starting from scratch or it's your first time with any Cisco certifications. As far as the cost is concerned, it is quite low compared to the other Cisco exams. It is $125 plus taxes based on the country you're taking it from. I would say the level of difficulty is fairly easy. It's an easier exam because it's an entry level and you do not need any prior experience or knowledge for it. So it's quite easy compared to the other Cisco certifications exam. Then, about the duration of this exam, it is quite short, which is just 50 minutes. And the number of questions you get in this exam is somewhere in the range of 35 to 50, which gives you an average of 1 to 2 minutes per question. And you'll find an excellent accuracy of the exam blueprint and the questions grammatically. To get your official results, it takes about an hour. Although, as soon as you finish, it shows you a preliminary report, which is satisfactory to get your result, which you can print out too, but is unofficial. So you'll have to wait for about an hour to get the official report, which I would say is a good turnaround time. So overall, I would say it's a great step to begin with for entry level to get into the industry. That is it about CCST networking examination. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.